Hello my brothers and sisters, in this video we gonna to show you about the front axle of a car, so don't forget to view all video to get full knowledge. Also I'm not responsible to your damage because of you don't view all the video, so let's begin today's lesson. The front axle of a car is a critical component of the suspension and steering system. It connects the front wheels and allows for both load bearing and turning movement. Here are the main parts of a typical front axle assembly. Main front axle parts. In most vehicles, 1. Axle shaft. Transfers power from the differential to the wheels, in front wheel or all-wheel drive vehicles. 2. CV joints, constant velocity joints, located at both ends of the axle shaft. Allow for smooth power transmission while the wheels turn and suspension moves. 3. Steering knuckle. Connects the wheel hub, brake components, and suspension. The axle shaft passes through the steering knuckle. 4. Wheel hub and bearings. The wheel hub connects the wheel to the axle. Bearings allow smooth rotation of the hub around the axle. 5. Differential. In front wheel or all-wheel drive systems, splits torque between the two front wheels. Located in the transaxle, transmission plus differential combined, in FWD cars. 6. Suspension control arms, upper and lower, connect the steering knuckle to the frame. Allow vertical wheel movement. 7. Ball joints, pivot points that connect control arms to the steering knuckle. Allow steering and suspension movement. 8. Tie rod ends, link the steering rack to the steering knuckle. Enable the wheels to turn when you move the steering wheel. 9. Struts or shock absorbers, absorb impact and help maintain tire contact with the road. 10. Sway bar links, help reduce body roll during cornering. Connect the sway bar to the suspension or control arm. Front axle types. Live axle, drive axle, found in 4WD, AWD vehicles. Transmits power and supports weight. Dead axle, non-driving, found in RWD cars. Only supports weight and steering. So my brothers and sisters, don't forget to view another related videos in our channel and subscribe our channel. If you don't subscribe now, definitely you subscribe another day, because in this channel we share best contents related to automotive, so subscribe now. Until we meet on the next video, have a good time.